copper becoming power grids, electronics, motors, and modern civilization. The digital thermometer confirms a temperature of 3 degrees Celsius, ensuring the fish is approved for processing. Inside the fish curry factory, millions of fish are quickly shoveled into insulated tubs lined with ice packs. Inside the fish curry factory, a rotating cylindrical washing drum tumbles haddock fish gently while water cascades over them. The salmon passes over the vibrating dewatering screen, shedding excess water from the cooling rinse before moving to the transfer tray. Millions of tuna are prepared daily, destined for the curry kitchen, where they will be transformed into ready-to-eat meals. Inside the fish curry factory, this is how millions of fish become ready-to-eat curry. The process begins as fresh sliced onions are poured into the massive vats of hot oil. Workers use
to achieve the flavor. Tamarind extract and salt are carefully measured and
the sauce is brought to a vigorous boil before the seasoned fish is carefully folded in by the automated stirrer. Millions of fish are carefully lowered into the massive kettles, submerging into the rich, simmering gravy.
Inside the fish curry factory, how millions of haddock fish become ready to eat curry. The motorized paddle gently moves the haddock fish without breaking them.
Inside the factory, the agitator keeps the fish suspended evenly in the gravy, preparing the mixture for the packaging line. The automated piston filler precisely dispenses the seasoned fish pieces into each sanitized can before moving on to the gravy. Inside the fish curry factory, automatic can seaming machines crimp metal lids airtight onto the cans. Inside the fish curry factory, how millions of fish become ready to eat curry.
Through steam injection and pressurized hot water, the heat penetrates the sealed containers, ensuring complete sterility.
Inside the fish curry factory, how millions of fish become ready-to-eat curry. Inside the fish curry factory, how millions of fish become ready to eat curry.
The vacuum integrity check is crucial to ensure the fish curry remains fresh before the cans move on to metal detection. After initial inspection by the team, the fish move rapidly down the line for the next crucial step: X-ray scanning. Inside the fish curry factory, how millions of fish become ready to eat curry.
To finalize the process, the ready-to-eat curry stacks enter the automatic stretch wrap machine, spinning plastic film around the pallets.
Inside the fish curry factory, how millions of fish become ready to eat curry.
The process begins as the finished fish curry is carefully loaded onto refrigerated trucks, ready for distribution across the country.
Slide it to the left. Yeah. Okay, got it. Next one coming up.
Inside the fish curry factory, how millions of fish become ready to eat curry.
Toll. Dann kann ich ja jetzt nach Hause fahren.
Inside this vast factory, millions of fish are transformed into curry every single day. The process moves rapidly from heating to final sealing. Inside the fish curry factory, we ensure even heating as the spoon gently stirs the fish pieces coated in this thick gravy.
Once steamed, the rice is carefully fluffed and plated, ready for the final step, a generous helping of the factory's signature fish curry.
Inside the mackerel fish curry factory, how millions of mackerel fish become ready to eat curry.
The final step ensures every serving is picture perfect, as fresh coriander is precisely sprinkled on top.
Inside the factory, millions of fish are transformed into this rich, ready-to-eat curry.
Inside the fish curry factory, millions of fish become ready to eat curry.
Wonderful. The quality here is simply unmatched.
Sterilization. From the moment the fresh tuna arrives, it undergoes a rapid transformation, moving quickly along the line. Transformed daily. Through precise sealing and sterilization, we bring this ready-to-eat curry from our factory to your home.
Inside the fish curry factory, how millions of fish become ready-to-eat curry.
Inside the fish curry factory, how millions of tilapia fish become ready to eat curry.
The labeling machine wraps branded labels around the cans at high speed, preparing them for the next stage of the process. Once the curry is sealed in these pouches, it's ready to be taken home, where a gentle simmer completes the transformation.